So then we'll continue next question in our yesterday's class. So yesterday's class we have done that what is Newton's second law and like different forms of Newton's second law, which is true always, which is not true and all. So finally we made one conclusion for Newton's second law, that is what which is always true. That is what m into dv by dt plus v into dm by dt. So this is the exactly what is Newton's second law. So which we all knows that F is equals to ma. So which is always it is not always remains true, but this is the one which is always remains true. That is what we have been done. Am I right or wrong? Always,
Yes,
all of
sir.
you? So yes. So after that, we have solved two questions. How to find acceleration and as well as normal reaction. So always remember in this Newton's second law, always they ask two things. One is find the normal reaction, and as well as second one is asking us to find the acceleration. So let us see the next question also. So fully questions only. You have to be very alert and you have to solve every question. So find n normal reaction and as well as a in the given question. So we are having a surface. So we all knows that surface. So having a mass of 5 kg, one big block is there, having a mass of how much? You can use the different pens. So kindly use pencil, pen, 2, 3 you are having. It will be very good for representation. So we are having a 5 kg mass. Use 2, 3 pens so that it is very good for you people. So now a force is exerting on this body with 37 degrees to the surface. Do you all understand, all of you? What is the angle, Pradosh? 37 degrees. Another force is acting towards the body. Okay, I'll erase it and I'll draw. Another force is acting towards the body. Sorry. Another force is acting towards the body with 53 degrees. So like you can take it. This is the another body, another force which is acting towards the body. So if you have taken, which is actually 10 Newton force, and it is exerting with the surface 53 degrees angle. So these two triangles are very popular triangles for us. Am I right, everyone? All of you?
Yes.
Yes or no? So that is what. Now we want to find what? Normal reaction as well as A in this question. So let's solve, everyone. All of you. So we all knows that as the force is acting inclined, that is what resultant force, this one. Then both the cases, it will act in two directions. What is that? X-axis and y-axis. Okay. So that is the question. So now let us draw the diagram again. So that is what every time you have to draw the diagram. So this is the surface ground and a block of how much mass? Everybody? Block
5
of
kg.
5 kg is kept. So we all knows that here the force is acting with the 20 newtons. That is what? Inclined with the surface. So surface means x-axis, what will happen here? 37 degrees means here what will happen? 20 cos 37. And y-axis, what is happening? Fastly. Y-axis 20 sin 30. You should involve and you have to tell me that, because it's a already we have resultant force, so many things we have done. So on this side, the force is acting. You can take it like it is continuously acting. You can imagine like this. So if you all observe here, so it is what angle it is making here? All of you?
53.
So here if it is making 53 means, then here also how much, Rudresha? Here also it will make how much angle?
53.
Everywhere it will make 53. Am I right or wrong? Everybody please respond.
Yes,
All of you, that is what. So then what will happen? X-axis, fastly. X-axis here what will happen? It is 10 newtons. So as I said, here what will happen? 10 cos
10 cos 53.
53, and y direction, what will happen? 10
10 sin
30. Sorry, 10 sin
53.
Okay. So you must able to find it. Okay. Now we are having a 2 points. So we all knows that. We'll consider here. So and we'll solve it. So let me consider this entire body as a point object. Free body diagram. FBD. FBD. What is the FBD? Everyone? free body diagram. Unless you know the free body diagram, you cannot solve. That is what we are studying. Am I right or wrong? Mr. Sai Karthik, Rishi, everyone, unless you yesterday's videos you watch, you cannot. Now, first, the force which is acting forward direction. What is that? You should tell me. How much it is? 20 cos 37. Clear? And same way. Next, if you observe very carefully, upward direction, something is acting. What is that? 20 sine 37. Okay. Next, use a different colors so that you can all understand very easily. Next, downward direction. What will happen always? Something is acting. Weight of the body. That is what tension or weight of the body. So weight is equals to
mg.
mg is equals to, that is what mg equals how much? 5g. Am I right or wrong? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what. Next, downward one more force is acting. What is that?
10 sine 50.
10 sine 53 degrees. Next, forward direction one more is acting. What is that? 10
10 cos 53.
cos 10 cos. All of you.
50.
10 cos 53. And anyhow, body will move in this direction only acceleration. So acceleration is positive. Acceleration is what? All of you? Positive. Clear?
Positive.
Then tell me, this force is equals to this force. So we all knows that upward. So 20 sine theta is equals to how much? Sorry, 20 sine 37. Actually, here one more force is acting, upward direction. If weight is acting downward, upward direction, some other will acting. What is that?
Normal force.
Normal reaction. So here normal is also exerting. So I can say n plus 20 sine 37. N plus 20 sine 37, which is equals to what? Downward forces. How much it is? 5g plus 10 sine.
10 sine 50.
Am I right? Everybody? Everyone please respond. Then two triangles you draw. What is the two famous triangles? We all knows that. 37. Okay. See, remember, lower angle 37. So opposite is also 3. And down 4 and here 5. And if I draw another triangle with a 53 angle. So it is a bigger angle. So here 4, here 3 and here what? All of you.
5.
So then sine 37, those who are joining today and last week recently, you may be not understand unless you watch, but try to observe. After 2-3 questions, you'll be familiar. So sine 37, what is the value? 3 by
3 by 5.
5.
3 by 5.
Next, sine 53 value, how much? 4 by 5. Am I right?
4 by
Yes, please respond. 4 by 5. That's all, you can substitute the values. So n plus 20, sine 37 value, how much? 3 by 5, which is equals to 5 into g value. We all knows that g is equals to how much? 10.
10.
So 10 plus 10 into sine 53, how much, Rabadosh? Which is equals to 4 by 5. Okay. Everyone should respond. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. Here 5 ones are 5 twos are. So which is equals to n plus 4 threes are how much? 12, which is equals to 50 plus 2 fours are how much? 8. Am I right, everybody? So 58 minus 12 is equals to n. So n is equals to how many newtons?
40.
N is equals to how many newtons? See, this n is a normal reaction. Normal reaction. Keep it in mind. But this n is a what? Force unit. Newton. So please remember that. So n, have you all got n? Everybody clear? Do you understand what
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So next, what else next we can do it? They are asking one more thing, we have to find it. What is that? Anybody can tell? All of you? Manya and Samya call to the Aswita, what is happening? Yeah, so how to find M net? We all knows that F net is equals to, net force is equals to, what is that? We have solved already formula yesterday. Everybody, F net equals to what? MA. Am I right or wrong? Please respond. Net acceleration. So the force exerting in this direction. So yesterday we have done the question. That is what F cos theta is equals to MA. Same way, because it is inclined surface. So F cos theta is equals to MA. We have done or not yesterday? Please respond.
Yes,
Net
sir.
forces. So same way here. Now F net is equals to MA. So what is the forces acting F net? Verify it, everybody. In the same direction of acceleration. 20 cos 37 is acting. And 10 cos 53 is acting.
10 cos 53.
Yeah, 53, which is equals to what? Which is equals to MA. Am I right or wrong? Fastly, everybody. Yes, Rudreswar?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what you have to remember it. So then tell me, what will happen? You have to find it. F net is equals to, so we all knows that 20 cos 37 plus next what? 10 cos
10 cos 53.
53, which is equals to MA. So what is the mass of the block? 5 into A. So now 20 value, 20 into cos 37, how much from this figure? Cos 37 value, fastly.
4 by 5.
All of you, others, 4 by 5. Very good. Next, cos 53 value.
3 by 5.
Cos
3 by 5.
3 by 5. You all should know this. That is must be there in your mind. So cos 37 value, how much? Fastly, everybody. 4 by 5.
4 by
10 into cos 40 value, cos 53 value, how much? 3 by 5. So
3
5 ones are 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 4. So 4 fours are 16 plus 2 threes are how much? 6 equals to 5 into A. So 16 plus 6 is equals to how much? 22 is equals to 5A. So A is equals to what is the answer? 22 by 5 meter per second square. That is what you have to remember. Okay, guys. Focus on work. Somebody's noise. It is. Yeah, Laksha, check it out. What is the speaker's power? So acceleration. Do you all find it, everybody? Any problem in this? You can ask. Clear, Mr. Pradosh, Vishali, Mr. Monish. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please focus on work. So this is very, very important one. Aswita, don't late to the class. 15 minutes now late. One question we completed. Do you all understand, everyone? Murali, Princy. So unless you
Yes.
solve, you people cannot experience anything. You have to solve everything. For entire this second law, they will ask you to find the normal reaction and acceleration only. So you must able to find. Of course, whole day, this whole class will solve that only. So once you understand this question, you continue fastly and we'll continue the next question. Let me know either you completed or not. So we'll go to the next question. If you are say okay, then we'll proceed. Pradosh, understand? For finding F net, yesterday we have done or not? Acceleration is F net by M. Yes or no? Formula.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what. Shall we go with the next question, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, before going to say next question, I'm going to say one statement. You remember, when two masses are in contact, clear everyone? Any masses, if different masses are contact, different masses are contact, each will exert normal reaction. Clear everyone? Means one will exert a reaction on another one and another one will exert a reaction on the first one. Do you understand the rest? You already solved even last class. Okay. So if the two bodies are in contact each other, if one will exert a normal reaction on second one, then second one also will exert the same normal reaction on what? Everybody. Yes, please respond. So for example, this is M1 body, okay, and this is M2 body. Now, if M1 is exerting N normal reaction means, then M2 also will exert how much normal reaction? Everybody? N. Clear, everybody? Please respond, Ra. So that is what is only I'm saying. Okay. Now, next question. So if you remember that point, we can continue. So the next question is straight line only how to draw. So two objects are there, which is M1 actually, and another object is M2. Little bit big size you draw so that it is easy to understand. Now, so F force is applied. Actually, force applied to which body? M1 or M2? Which body it is in contact? Check it, everybody. We are applying the force for which body? All of you.
M1.
M1. So that both the acceleration will be in same direction or different direction. Force is applying in the same direction. So both are applying different direction or same direction. Fastly, everyone. Same direction. So now, all of you observe, as I told you, when the bodies are in contact each other, yes, Rudreswar, what will happen? First body will exert force on second body, and second body will exert force on normal force on first body. Clear? So let me take the first body force exerted by and second body is normal N dash. Then the second M2 body exerting normal force on how much it is? It is also will become, all of you, N dash. Clear? All of you? Please respond. Next, the weight of the body which is exerting downwards, which is what? M1G. And this is also weight of the body which is exerting on the ground, which is
M2.
what? M2G. Then actual normal force which is exerting upward direction, N. Here also actual normal force which is exerting on N. So that is the reason, if you want, you can take, this is N means this is N1. And here I have taken N1 or N dash, everyone. The force which is exerted here, which is actually what? N dash. And the force exerted on this also, we used to take it as a what? Fastly, everyone. This is also N dash. Understand, ma? Laksha? Chali, Mana and Samaya. So that is what? See that. This is N1. Oh, wait.
Yes, sir.
This is N1 and this is N dash. Be very careful. So that is what? Now consider only free body diagram for M1. Can you tell me free body diagram? FBD for M1 mass. What is the forces acting? First, upward force acting normal, downward force acting somebody. What is that? Fastly. M1. And forward force, forward, F is acting. So what is that? All of you. F is acting on first body or second body. Check it, everybody. F is acting on first body. So that is what? F is acting like this. So that acceleration is positive or negative? Acceleration
Positive.
positive. Next. And one more force is exerting on F1 body. What is that, anybody? That is what? The normal reaction which is exerted by second body and first body. Am I right or wrong? Fastly, everybody.
Yes,
so that is what is called as N1. So these are the forces acting on the first body. So from that I can say one thing. Can anybody can tell me? So this force is equals to this force. How much it is? N is equals to, all of you. N is equals to, you should tell me. N is equals to what? M1G. Okay. Next. We all knows that F net. F net is equals to what, Rudreswa? F net is equals to, just now we studied, F net is equals to ME. Yes or no? So then forward force minus, because acceleration is here. So this is positive. So wherever acceleration is there, we keep it in mind because today we'll solve it. Wherever acceleration is, that is positive, minus this side backward direction. What is the force? N1, which is equals to what? M1A. Yes or no, guys? Please respond. Yes. So that is what you have to remember it. So let me take, this is equation number 1. What is that, everyone? Yes.
Equation.
Number 1. Now you tell me, F is acting only for body 1 or also for body 2? Only for M1. Clear, everyone? Please respond. Only for M1. Now free body diagram for M2. So one upward force is acting normal, N1. Sorry, N1 or N dash? What do you assume? N1. Am I right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but here N1 should not come, but I have written here, certainly. Then it is not N1. What is that? N dash. Okay. So check it here. I assumed normal reaction exerted by body 1 is N. Normal reaction exerted by body 2 is N dash. Normal reaction exerted by body 1 on body 2 is N dash. Okay. And normal reaction exerted by body 2 on body 1 is also N dash. This is N1, N1, N dash. Is it okay, guys? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
That is what. Then what is the forces exerting on body 2? You should tell me. One is normal, N1. Then downward direction. What is that? Everybody? M2. And no force is exerting. Force is only for M1. But still it is exerting by one more force. Can anybody tell me what is that? Check it here. Forward direction. What is that force? N dash. Understand, Ra? Please respond, Ra. So that is what?
Yes, sir.
N dash. N dash. So from this I can say N1 is equals to M2G. Am I right or wrong, everyone? N1 is equals to M2G. And then F net is equals to what? MA. So yeah, what is F net? Only one direction. That is what? Acceleration positive. So that what is the F net equals to? N dash is equals to M2A. Am I right or wrong? All of you? Fast.
Yes, sir.
That is what. So let me take, this is equation number 2. So now both equations tell me what is the first equation? F minus N dash is equals to M1A. Then N dash is equals to, everyone, M2A. So add both the equations. Add both the equations. So what will happen? N dash will get cancelled. F is equals to what will happen, guys? M1A plus M2A.
M2A.
A into M1 plus M.
Yeah, A will be cancelled. M1 plus M2. So from that, A is equals to what will happen to Dhrusva? F divided
F
by
by
F by
M1 plus
M1 plus M2.
divided by M2. So this is the way we will find acceleration. Keep it in mind whenever you will get in a future numericals. Everything, one question will be like deriving the formula and one more example we will solve. So now you understand when two bodies are in contact and force exerting on only first body. So if you want to find the acceleration, so what is the formula? F divided by F divided by M1 plus
M1 plus
M2.
M2.
That's all. Okay, everybody. So anybody having any problem, you can ask. Clear understanding? Okay,
Yes, sir.
guys. Yeah. Now the same formula I will use by using a shortcut formula. So shortcut, how to solve it. So observe very carefully. So shortcut, how to solve. So let us consider now two bodies are in contact. So what is the first body? Take little bit bigger so that it is easy to understand. So two bodies are in contact. What is the two bodies? M1 and M2. So consider this is entirely, it is a whole single system. How much it is? I am considering as a single system, okay, or single body. So single body means what is the mass? Total mass is equals to total mass
M1
is
plus
what? M2. Single system means total mass. Purima, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Monish, no response at all. Total mass is mg. Now the force which is exerting downward direction, what is this one? Weight, m1g. The force which is exerting downward direction, what is that? Fastly, everybody, m2g. Yes, guys, please respond. And the normal which is exerting is n, and the normal which is exerting is n dash. So what is the acceleration formula? Anybody can tell? What is the acceleration formula? F is equals to, sorry, A is equals to F net divided by M net. Am I right or wrong? Whole system I am considering, whole system. So whole system F net is equals to what? We all got F divided by M net. What is the mass? Net mass. Net mass is equals to what?
M1 plus M2.
M1 plus M2. That's all. That is the same formula we got it. Have you checked it, everybody? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Understand? So if you consider a whole system, then total mass is equals to M1 plus M2, then directly A is equals to F net by M. But here I am not using M net. Net means total net mass. So that's all. If you'll find it, you'll get the same formula. So F divided by M1 plus F divided by M1 plus
M2.
M2.
Now, immediately you solve one question, you will understand it. Okay, so please solve this one. Have you understand how to find when the two bodies are in contact? 2 not 3, 3 not 4, 4 not 5. 5 bodies are in continuously contact. Then also you can use the same thing to find the acceleration. Okay, Mr. Monish, Mr. Murali, unless you respond and speak, you people cannot understand anything. Mr. Naren, can you able to catch it? At least this chapter you can watch. Yesterday's pending videos, last 2-3 videos, and you can continue. Remaining chapters you will watch later. Okay.
Okay.
Understand everybody? So have you all solved this derivation? Still complete this derivation and we'll continue. Anybody having any doubt? Let me know. Understand or not now? Mr. Rishi, simply sitting even like 11th, after coming to 11th also, if you are behaving like this, then there is no use of studying. So those completed?
Yes, sir.
So that is what it is. Now one question will solve immediately. So you all should tell me. See, one by one you should involve in the class. Unless you involve, you never see any progress in your life. I am saying you again. So let me take one straight line. So I'm not freehand, I am not getting. So I'm taking a straight line. So okay. So let me take 3 boxes so that it will be, let it be very perfect. First we'll solve normal method and then we will solve shortcut method also. Is it okay, everybody? All of you? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So totally 3 blocks. So these are the 3 blocks I have drawn. So you want, you can draw even like more bigger so that your size is looks very like what we can see. So many things we are mentioning, correct? So it will become perfectly. So totally how many blocks we have done? We are having how many blocks now? 3 blocks. So be very careful. Now I am applying the force N1. I'm spending time only, you should understand very perfectly. That is the only reason This much we are taking it. So please kindly practice. So let me take now. I exerted a force of 18 newtons. What is the force I exerted, everyone? Force I exerted how much newtons? 18 newtons. Okay, wow. So now this force is exerted only for first body or second body or third body? Only for first body. Okay. So first body is 2 kg, second body is 3 kg, and third body is 4 kg. Okay. Now same diagram. Now I am not drawing. Again, I am not drawing, but you should draw, because again I draw means it will take time. But you have to draw second time. Okay, wa Rudreshwa, Ishali. That is what. Now you tell me force is exerting in this direction. Then everybody, what is the acceleration? Acceleration same direction or another direction? Fastly. Direction. So force applied by body and direction of acceleration is same. So that acceleration, everything, positive or negative, everybody. Direction of force and acceleration is same. All acceleration is positive. Okay. Ashita, can you able to understand, Ashita? Now. So observe very carefully. The first body will exert a normal force on second body because these both are in contact. Then the force exerted by a first body and normal force on second body is, let me consider N1. What we will consider, everyone? All of you. N1.
N1.
Then second body exerted first body is also how much it is. That is also will become what?
N1.
N1. Okay.
N1.
Same way, the second body normal reaction which is exerted on third body, which is, let me take N2. Then the third body which is exerted on second body, which is also how much? Fastly.
N2.
N2.
Understood, Amma? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Then free body diagram for first one. So first one, free FBD. Free body diagram, FBD for first case. So first body. Okay. So what is the first body mass? All of you? First body, how much mass?
2 kg.
2 kg.
2 kg.
So consider as a free body diagram. Ellame familiar or not? How to draw free body diagram? Are you all familiar?
Yes, sir.
Asita, solving out. So now we all knows that one force is acting forward direction. What is that force acting forward direction? How much? All of you.
18 Newton.
18 newtons. So this 18 newtons only for first body or everybody? Only for first body. Okay,
Only
wow.
for first.
Then acceleration is positive or negative? Acceleration is positive or negative? Everyone? Positive. Then it is experiencing one more force, backward force. What is that force here? Check it.
N1.
All of you. What is that?
N1.
That's all. Then we all knows that F net is equals to, can you tell me F net is equals to MA? So how to find it, F net? F net means what? Forward. Wherever acceleration is there, that is positive. So 18 minus N1, which is equal to how much? Mass is how much, Ra? Mass is 2 kg.
2
kg. Okay, wow. 2 into G. So I will take it as acceleration. So it is 8. Okay, everyone? Yes. All of you?
Yes, sir.
So this is the first equation. So for first body. Now same way, you tell me, you speak. Then second body, tell me, what is the second body mass? Everyone? Second body. Second object or second body? How many kg mass? 3 kg. Okay, wow. 3 kg. I will consider as a point object. Now tell me, what is the forward force acting? Forward force, no 18 kg. So forward force, only you see that. So forward force on acting on this body, second body. So what is the second body acting forward force? N1.
N1.
Okay. And what is the backward force acting? What is the backward force acting? N2. That's all.
N2.
Okay. So one is N1 and backward force is what? All of you? N2.
N2.
As we all knows that it is also still acceleration is forward. So it is what? Positive or negative? Positive. So here is the acceleration. So that N1 minus N2, which is equals to what? MA. MA means 3A. Okay, guys. F net is equals to MA. You should not forget this formula. Okay, guys. Others?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very simple it is. Next, third body. Sorry. Okay, then these two equations you derive, everyone. How much it will come? Fastly. All of you? Or else you can take third equation also. So then third body. What is the third body? Fastly tell me.
4 kg.
Third body, how many kgs? 4 kg. So it is experiencing no forward, because if another body is there, again it will experience a normal. So it is having no another force, only one force. That is what? What force it is? N2. Am I right or wrong?
N2.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
N2. No, sorry, not this one. N2 is forward. So here, this N2 it is. So only N2 force. So acceleration also forward. Acceleration is also forward, and one and only force is acting. That is what is equals to N2. So that F net is equals to MA. So what is the answer? F net is equals to N2 is equals to
N2
4A.
equal to
Okay,
4A.
wow.
4A.
Understood? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Equation 3, and this is equation number 2. And next, first equation is what? First equation is 18 minus N1. Okay. Now add these three, all the equations, add all the three equations. Pradosh, fastly speak, everyone. Monish, add three equations. What will happen? First equation, tell me. What is the first equation, everybody? 18 minus N1, which is equals to 2A. Next, N1 minus N2, which is equals to 3A. Next one, N2 is equals to 4A. So now you can see that addition. So addition means what will happen? N1 will get cancelled, N2 will get cancelled. So which is equals to 18 is equals to 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equals to 9A.
9
Then A is equals to 18 by 9, which is equals to how much acceleration? Fastly.
2 meter per second.
2 meter.
2 meter per second.
Anybody having any doubt? You can ask. Do you all understand how to find the forces exerting on everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So please, that is what. Now, if you all notice it, so the same one we can solve in the shortcut formula also. So how to solve shortcut formula? Very, very simple. So consider this whole body as a single system. That's all. So whole body as a single system. So that is what this one and this one and this one. So this body is how much mass? 2 kg or 3 kg? 2 kg, 3 kg and 4 kg. Am I right or wrong? Fastly.
Yes, sir.
All of you. Then what is the total mass? If you consider as a single system, what is the total mass?
M1 plus M2
M2
plus
plus M3. So what is the acceleration formula? F net divided by M net. F net divided by M net. So F net is F. So what is the F net? How much it is? Net force?
18 Newton.
18 Newton. So divided by
18.
M1 plus M2 plus M3. So which is equals to 18 divided by 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equals to 18 by 9, which is equals to answer how much, Ra?
2 meter per second.
2 meter per second square.
Got the same answer, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's all. So please solve it. Okay, so this is a very, very important question. Next one, it will check your knowledge, what we are going to solve the next question. So hope you all understand. Everybody, Mr. Rishi, Mr. Sai Karthik, Samayan Manya, I don't know what, solving also. Aswita solved. So very, very important. So please solve it perfectly. Nowhere you should have doubt. Anyone having a doubt, you can ask me. Sir, how to write forces of any object? If you ask me, I will say. Sir, how you written? Yes, please. Hello, Purima. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please do it. See, for 11th and 12th, you have to be very, very logical, and unless you work more than me, you people cannot work. So that is what is my opinion. So work kindly. Any doubt you can ask me, I'll say. Make it fast. Definitely will finish this chapter by this month. And July 2 chapters will put a target. Mostly by August middle, we have to finish the first volume 1. Then we'll go with the volume 2. Then only we'll get sufficient time to study. So please kindly cooperate well so that we can finish much as possible. So do it now. Morning onwards, I told you to read the 3rd chapter. I don't know how many of you read, but okay, I'll see that. So have you all completed this question? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, when I'm teaching, you observe very carefully. Okay. Then next question. So next question is very important. I will draw the question. Let me see. You try to find. I'll give the time. Then we'll proceed. Either you have done right or wrong. I'll say. So, but be logical. So unless you are logical, you cannot. So this is the one. Let me fill with the shape light color so that it will be good. So and one more object I will make it. Oh, sorry. First, I'll draw the line base so that it will be very nice. Okay. So base also I'll give it another color so we all will understand. So you have to imagine, that is what is needed. So you unless you imagine, you cannot. So this is the base. Is it okay, everybody? Touching with the surface. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I am putting a one more object, very small object at the corner. This is the M2. Okay. So shape also I'll fill with that. Let me fill with the yellow color, and border also I'll fill with another color so that you can see the difference. Okay, otherwise I'll fill it there. So these are the two bodies. Okay, so now it is experiencing with the F force, the force F. Now I want to find the acceleration. So can anybody find the acceleration? And I'll let me finish the question first. Let me finish the question first. So if you all observe very carefully, oh sorry, yeah, this is F force is exerting, and find acceleration. What is the question I'm saying? Find acceleration of M1 and M2. M1 and M2. But the condition here, all of you remember, all surfaces are, by this time you can find it, all surfaces are smooth. Understand, Pradosh? This is a very, very important key. Hint it is actually. So now you start finding it. Anybody? Let me see how we'll find acceleration. Do it fast, everyone. So this is M1. I'm taking as this is M1, and I'll take it. This is as M2. Okay, wow. Everybody clear? Find
Yes, sir.
acceleration of M1 and M2. I'm giving, take it, we have only 1 minute time. Meeting is going to end. Do it fast and then I'll teach. Make it fast, everybody. Find acceleration of M1 and M2. What is the answer? Just now we have solved also. So what is the answer? Yeah, acceleration A is equals to F net divided by what? F net divided by M net.
M net.
So which is equals to F divided by
M1
M1 plus M2.
Okay, wow. So is it right? That is what my question. Is it the acceleration?
Yes, sir.
All of you? Yes. So if you have done this, wonderful. 100% this is wrong in this case. Why? So here, if you notice it, what is the hint they have given? All of you? Smooth. Smooth in the sense of,
surfaces are.
what is the meaning of this one? So there is no friction between the surfaces. Am I right or wrong? All of you? Yeah. If there is no friction, means what will happen, Pradosh? If I push, I'm applying force for what object? I'm applying force